Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining in to the Intelekt AI Demo Day stream. We are thrilled to launch the Intelekt AI Cloud today, which is rapidly transforming the way businesses build and deploy AI apps. My name is Sudeshna, and I am the co-founder and CEO of Intelekt AI. In 2017, I was rolling out the POC of an inter-organization policy chatbot for the Center of Excellence of Cognitive Sciences at Cognizant. The purpose of the COE was to bring forth AI applications for a broader set of stakeholders. While building, we faced recurring challenges of access to community knowledge forums, limitations of customizability on legacy platforms, and the largest of all being the cost to run and test and scale the AI bot. While I was tinkering around with solutions, I reconnected with a friend who had been a key contributor to Mozilla's Rust programming language and was then leading a smart metering rollout program at RPSG Group. Collectively, we decided to quit our jobs and embark upon the mission to build AI solutions for the underserved Indian market. It's been 5 years since, and we built a profitable, fast-growing business and a well-rounded team together. Our management and advisory board represents leading organizations globally. And we count organizations like PwC, Vikram Solar, Birla Group as our customers, and NVIDIA, Intel as our partners. Our R&D is strengthened with our collaboration with open source communities and leading academic institutions. Today, we are taking a big leap into the future with the launch of Intelekt AI Cloud, a platform that empowers small and medium businesses and select enterprises to make AI a core part of their business strategy. This is, of course, easier said than done. AI has very much become a buzzword today. So today, let me walk you through on why do we exist, show you how Intelekt AI can impact more than 35% of the Indian economy and subsequently 50% of its global trade volume through a product demo, and then explain on how you can become a part of the Intelekt AI mission. William Gibson said that the future is already here. It's just not very evenly distributed. But this is not just about serving an important business opportunity, but rather address a fundamental gap between the way technologies are available versus being actually applicable to most of the economy. Digitally nascent businesses, including but not limited to MSMEs, contribute 35% of the Indian GDP and 50% of global trade volumes. And almost 75% of them will struggle if they fail to adapt to the changing technological landscape. They are in dire need of transformation, but are not equipped to embark upon the journey themselves. Having worked with over a decade with digitally nascent organizations, large enterprises, and startups, we understand that each customer has some unique needs. That said, some things always remain the same. One, them being cost conscious. Second, businesses that wants to prioritize revenue maximization in the medium and the long term. And of course, the quest for growth amidst uncertainties. And that's why our product, Intelekt AI Cloud, exists. And that is also why we have a consulting and digital transformation arm, so that the companies who might not have the technical wherewithal to make it actionable can become digitally ready with minimal coding needed from their side. When it comes to our customers, we have a threefold objective: reduce the cost of applying AI solutions to their businesses and make it damn simple. Enable AI solutions to be used by the non-technical staff. And last but not the least, provide unified chat and search interface to make real-time business data accessible. Today, using Intelekt AI, you can launch LLM-powered applications for your business in days with minimal coding and 3 simple steps, significantly reducing operational costs and technical dependency on IT teams. You can connect with files, databases, data lakes, emails, build cause and event workflows on a drag and drop workflow builder, and publish AI apps on-premise and also on cloud. So let's dive into the platform. You can start by customizing your workspace as per your brand guidelines. As a next step, you can define your organization structure. With our secure role-based access management, admins can manage and control data visibility across the organizations. Taking a little bit of a pause here for the demo to play out. And as we move on to the next steps, I'll keep explaining how the platform is coming together. As you have configured the role and privacy access management controls, now you are all set to build your workflow that suits your business context. Choose from pre-integrated databases and data lakes. The sidebar that you see on the right is where all our integrations are available. You can decide which ML model or Gen AI model you would need. You can pick and choose open source models. Currently, we also support OpenAI, Llama, and Hugging Face models. You can choose from the library and add it to the workflow. You can then go on to write the validation. You can also insert custom code if you need. Connect it all and you are done. Now let's take a look at the chat interface. On the chat interface, you can upload your files. You can search and chat with the data. Now, once your outcomes are available, you can apply custom filters and sort options. And this is essentially to enhance the power to reason with AI. You can also give feedback to rate outcomes. And there is more. As it learns, it grows to give you data visualizations. Let's see how that works. And here you go. Reports available to you on a chat interface, all in response to your questions. And whenever you want to improve, you can self-train your data on the low-code interface. we will take a look on an sample document on how the low-code interface actually works. And here we are, no complicated code, no data scientist required. You just highlight the portion of data that you want to train and just fill in simple forms to train your data. Moving on, we will now look at some of the use cases that our customers have created on the Intelekt AI cloud platform. Let's take the first example of legal teams. Legal teams have created paralegal co-pilot that helps them in managing contract versions, running due diligence analysis, and they achieved up to 75% performance accuracy with around 80% reduction in paralegal turnaround time. It's pretty impressive. Moving on to the finance team and how they used Intelekt AI. Finance teams use Intelekt AI to supercharge their reconciliation process. No more tedious going through files, folders, matching on Excel sheets. And they have implementation of AI-enabled reconciliation process. They've been able to reduce invoice and purchase order processing time by up to 70%, error reduction in risk analysis by 90%. They've improved accuracy in data extraction and validation and cut down invoice processing costs by up to 50%, resulting in significant cost savings for businesses. The operations teams used Intelekt AI to enable their customer services team to improve personalization of customer support experiences of their customers, resulting in faster response time and enhancing the overall customer satisfaction. Recruitment teams uses Intelekt AI to improve the recruitment process with AI-assisted JD creation that enables precise bias-free job description creation, ensuring clarity and attracting suitable candidates. And also for candidate resume evaluation that automates screening, ensuring consistent evaluation, saving time and reducing human bias. Intelekt AI is not just a conversational agent or a code suggestion tool. It is designed for secure enterprise-level information discovery from distributed data sources with the ability to add custom instructions, access control, refining results with clarifying questions instead of hallucinating, and reason with AI. It also uses distributed knowledge graphs, instruction interpretation graphs, and a decision-making engine to provide highly contextual and hyper-personalized results. It learns by itself with every interaction you do with it. As I had said earlier, the mission we are on is easier said than done. To enable access of AI for MSMEs that contribute significantly towards India's GDP, we will have to grow with collaboration. We welcome you to partner with us in this journey. You can partner with us in the Young Leadership Program if you are a working professional. If you are a student, you can partner with us as a Campus AI Venture Scout. As partners, we will work together to unlock the AI transformation potential of businesses and grow together. Today is only the beginning of many. We will host events every Saturday as a part of our Saturday happy hours to bring to you interesting people and stories from the world of AI. Visit us as www.getintellect.ai. Scan the QR on the screen and DM me on LinkedIn to stay in touch. And thank you again for joining the Intelekt AI Demo Day stream. And we are now open to questions.